This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the Samsung A35 5G. Plug in only if battery is below 20%, otherwise begin settings work now. First, enable adaptive battery and power saving to limit background apps. This reduces wake-ups and CPU spikes. Next, disable radios you don't need. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth drain less but still consume energy when idle. Make sure location is set to device only or off. High-precision GPS forces more power use. Once done, the phone is ready for deeper optimization. Now you'll tackle the middle steps where most savings come from. Reduce refresh rate to 90 Hz or 60 Hz. Higher rates use noticeably more battery and lower screen brightness or use adaptive brightness, but check it doesn't overbrighten. Inspect battery usage in settings and restrict background activity for heavy apps. Force stop or uninstall ones you don't need. Enable dark mode system-wide for OLED efficiency. Also, review auto start permissions so apps aren't relaunching constantly and draining battery. Finish by applying persistent measures and a key troubleshooting tip. Update the system and apps to get battery optimizations. Uninstall unused or suspicious apps. Schedule power saving during predictable low-use hours and enable Do Not Disturb at night to stop background activity spikes. Review widgets and live wallpapers. Remove them if unnecessary. If battery still drains fast, reboot the phone, clear the system cache partition, or reset network settings. If that fails, back up and consider a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.